and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Ever wonder how your expectations shape your students' success? Today we are diving into the Pygmalion Effect in education, a powerful concept that can transform your classroom. The Pygmalion Effect, named after a Greek myth where a sculptor's love brought a statue to life, is the idea that higher expectations lead to better performance. In education, when teachers believe in their students' potential, those students often rise to meet those expectations. It's a self-fulfilling prophecy rooted in psychology. A landmark study by Rosenthal and Jacobson in 1968 showed this in action. They told teachers certain students were gifted based on a fake test. Those students, randomly selected, outperformed others by the end of the year, simply because teachers expected them to excel. So what makes the Pygmalion Effect work? It's about positive reinforcement, giving encouraging feedback, challenging students with high but achievable goals, and creating a supportive environment. Teachers' body language, tone, and attention all signal beliefs in students' abilities, boosting their confidence and effort. Imagine a shy student, Sarah, who struggles with math. Her teacher, noticing her potential, assigns her a leadership role in a group project and praises her problem-solving skills. Feeling valued, Sarah studies harder and soon excels, proving the Pygmalion Effect in action. Take Jane Elliott's famous blue eyes, brown eyes experiment. In the 1960s, she divided her class by eye color, telling one group they were superior. The superior group performed better academically that day, showing how teachers' expectations can shape outcomes even in a single lesson. Teachers, your belief in the students can change their lives. Set high expectations, offer positive feedback, and watch them soar. Try it in your classroom and share your stories in the comment section. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.